Welcome to 7 Pot Club. I'm Rob.
I grow hot peppers.
It's April 9th, and guess what? It snowed again last night in Minnesota, and I shoveled snow this morning. I looked at the weather report today. There may be shovelable snow later this week. So it kind of seems like spring may never come to Minneapolis this year. But we still have hope. Today's episode is all about topping. Topping is when you prune or cut off the top of the pepper plant in order to create a plant that has more branches and grows lower to the ground. We first got this idea by watching videos from other YouTubers like Kangstar and Veronica Flores. There are two distinct advantages to this technique that we hope are going to work out well for us this year. Number one, more branches on the plant mean more fruit. Hey, that's what you're growing them for, so that sounds good. Number two, this means the plant will grow closer to the ground and have a lower center of gravity. And what's great about that is it's less likely that the plants will need staking, and also the vast majority of our plants are grown in pots, and as they get taller and the wind blows, they fall over. So this may make the plants more stable and less likely to blow over. So that's a couple of good reasons right there. A week ago, we topped 4 plants, and we're going to take a look at those today and see how they're doing, and we're going to top a bunch more. We're going to have a lot of fun, chopping away at the pepper plants. So let's get started.
We're gonna cut off the tops of the pepper plants. 7 Pot Club's first topping episode. Cut off the tops of the pepper plants. Ooh yeah. Cut off the tops of the pepper plants. Snip, bye bye pepper top. Cut off the tops of the pepper plants. Watch it now.
Our topping experiment began last week when we selected 4 plants for topping. We chose plants that had a nursery mate of the same variety and similar size that we can use as an uncut control plant. First plants on the 7 Pot Club chopping block: 7 Pot SR strain, Little Elf, Shishido, and Winks Yellow Hot. We wanted the right tool for the job, so we ordered up these super sharp Fiskars floral snips for precise cuts. The included blade cover is a nice touch. 7 Pot SR strain is first to get snipped. We're cutting just above a Y where new growth is starting. We're being conservative in how much we're cutting off until we have some first-hand experience and know what to expect. That wasn't too painful. Now, let's take a look 1 week later. We're shooting at a little different angle, which makes it difficult to compare, but both plants are definitely bigger. New growth is developing just below the cut, so that's encouraging. Next up is Little Elf, about to get littler. We're also going to remove some bottom leaves on this one. Impressive growth on both plants after 1 week. Look how much the new growth has developed. May snip off a little more of the top soon. Now, Shishido. We're trying to cut at an angle as Veronica suggests, so that water can't sit in the cut after watering and introduce bacteria or disease. These plants can get huge and they're hard to stake, so shorter and bushier would be great. Looks kind of Charlie Brownish now though, but gotta have faith. Seeing this footage, I'm amazed at how much they grow in just a week. I'm even more amazed by how it's filling out with new growth. Very encouraging. Winks Yellow Hot is a nice jalapeno-like pepper named for its breeder and its color. Taller plants with more widely spaced leaves are so distressing to top because it really seems like you're hacking away most of the plant. A quick note about organization. We're putting labels on the backs of each pair stating the date pruned and which plant is the unpruned control, at least for now. If this experiment goes well, we may top almost all the plants. Again, 1 week later, plants are bigger, new growth appearing. Now for the plants selected for today's beheading. As in the words of my soon-to-be classic song, it's for their own good. You'll see their progress in future episodes. Right or wrong, let us know how we're doing in the comments. We may have some info that's worth sharing, but we also have a whole lot to learn. Thanks for watching. The pepper plant carnage is over for today. You know, we post a new video every week, so I hope you follow us throughout the growing season to see these plants mature and produce fruit and what we do with that fruit. It's going to be an amazing journey. For 7 Pot Club, I'm Rob.
We're gonna cut off the tops of the pepper plants. Cut off the tops of the pepper plants. Oh yeah. Cut off the tops of the pepper plants. Cut off the tops of the pepper plants.